If you have exactly $100 to your name and you're searching for which crypto to buy or best stocks for 2025, stop it. You are about to lose that money. Here is the brutal truth that finance gurus won't tell you because they need to sell you their trading course. You cannot invest your way out of poverty. If you think turning $100 into $100,000 happens through compound interest, you are mathematically illiterate. You aren't investing, you are gambling with rent money. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to insult your current strategy, show you the math that proves you're playing a losing game, and hand you the only blueprint that actually turns 3 figures into 6 figures in less than 12 months. It's not crypto. It's not dropshipping. And it's definitely not saving. Let's do the math. Let's reframe the problem. The world and your parents told you that wealth comes from passive income and letting your money work for you. That is advice for rich people. Rich people use capital to make money. You don't have capital. $100 is not capital. $100 is groceries. When you try to invest $100 into the S&P 500, you are playing defense. You are trying to protect a tiny seed. To get to $100,000, you don't need defense. You need aggressive offense. The wolf doesn't look at $100 as an asset. The wolf looks at $100 as tuition fee. The reframe is this: stop trying to get a return on your money. Start trying to get a return on your energy. We are not going to invest this $100 into a market. We are going to burn this $100 to buy a skill that allows you to rob the market legally. Let's look at the numbers. They are going to hurt your feelings. The traditional investor, you put $100 into the stock market. Average return, 10% per year. By 2026, you have $110. Congratulations. You made enough to buy a Big Mac meal. To turn $100 into $100,000 at 10% interest, it would take you roughly 72 years. You'll be dead before you're rich. The leveraged play. To turn $100 into $100,000, you need a 100% return or a 1,000x multiple. There is no asset class in the world that guarantees this. None. So, where does a 1,000x return come from? It comes from service arbitrage. If you use that $100 to buy a book, a course, or a software subscription that teaches you how to write sales emails, and you land one client who pays you $1,000 a month, you just turned $100 into $12,000 a year. That is a 0% return on your capital. So, how do we actually do this by 2026? Here is the Contrarian Blueprint. Step 1, the $100 allocation tactics. Don't save it, spend it. Use that $100 to buy speed. $20 for a used book on copywriting, video editing, or no-code building. $20 for a ChatGPT Plus subscription, your AI employee. $60 for a domain name and basic hosting. You have now purchased a business in a box. Step 2, the skill bridge. Spend the next 30 days doing nothing but learning that skill, 4 hours a night. You are not watching tutorials, you are building a portfolio. Create 5 sample emails, edit 5 sample videos, build 5 sample landing pages. Step 3, the cold outreach optimization. This is the dark art nobody wants to do. Send 100 DMs, emails a day, to businesses offering to solve their problem for free in exchange for a testimonial. Once you have results, charge the next guy $1,000, then $2,000, then $5,000. You don't need 1,000 customers. To make $100,000, you only need 5 clients paying you $1,600 a month. That is it. That is the whole game. I can hear you whining already. But I don't have time. But I'm not good at sales. But what if I fail? Shut up. You don't have time? You spend 3 hours a day on TikTok scrolling through other people's success. You have time, you just don't have priorities. You're scared of risk? Risk is waking up at 65 years old, realizing you worked 40 years for a boss who replaced you with an AI and having nothing to show for it but a pathetic 401k. Spending $100 and failing? That's not risk. That's the price of admission. You aren't stuck because you lack resources. You are stuck because you are addicted to the comfort of being a victim. The year 2026 is coming, whether you like it or not. You can arrive there with the same empty bank account, blaming the economy, blaming the government, blaming the rich. Or you can look at that $100 bill in your pocket right now and realize it's not money, it's a seed. Don't subscribe to this channel because you want to feel good. Subscribe only if you are ready to stop consuming and start producing. Put down the phone, pick a skill, spend the money, do the math, or stay poor. I'll see you on the other side.